Alright, well if you're ever working with a Holley carburetor, chances are, sooner or later, you're going to come across one that is stripped out, okay? The fuel bowl screw stripped out on the actual main body. Well, it's kind of a pain, but there is a way to fix this. It's by using this little helicoil. So we're going to have to take off the bowl, drill it out, put the helicoil in, we'll tap it, put the helicoil back in, and okay, well that's what I'm gonna do, and listen to some tunes. This music's on our second channel, New Guy's Guitar. Go check it out if you're interested in some music. That's what we're gonna be doing over there. Okay, so once you got into this stage where you've drilled it and you've tapped it, what you want to do is you want to chamfer it. Just you want to take off this sharp edge right here. There, that's all you need. You can just do it by hand. Now you got to insert this little guy. So then when you're done, it should look just like that. A little helicoil in there and the hole has been chamfered, right? That's it. Normal. That's the fix. Now, you got to make sure you don't go too far, like I said before, because otherwise you're going to be poking right through there. And ask me how I know, because when I had to do that one, that's exactly what happened. I poked right through there, and that's old JB Weld right there. So don't do what I did the first time. Do what I did the second time. Be careful. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's kind of a pain. You gotta tear it apart and drill it and clean everything up. But really, it's not that difficult. Okay, well, that's it for this episode, and I'll catch you next time.